Important days and dates in February 2021. 1st February Indian Coast Guard Day. Why and when? To celebrate its 45th Rising Day on 1st Feb 2021. 2nd February World Wetland Day. Why and when? To raise global awareness about the essential role of wetlands for people and our planet. 4th February World Cancer Day. Why and when? Raise worldwide attention and encourage action for a cancer-free future. 6th February International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. Why and when? To abolish female genital mutilation. 10th February World Pulses Day and National Deworming Day. World Pulses Day. Why and when? To reform the supplement of pulses for sustainable agriculture. National Deworming Day. Why? To make every child in the country worm free. 11th February World Unani Day and International Day Women and Girls in Science. World Unani Day. Why? The birthday of great Unani scholar and social reformer Hakim Ajmal Khan. 11th February International Day Women and Girls in Science. To gain full and equal access to and participate in science for women and girls. 12th February National Productivity Day. Why? To raise productivity culture in India. 13th February World Radio Day. Why? Grant access to information through radio, including community radios. 20th February World Day of Social Justice. Why? To promote gender equality, indigenous people and migrants' rights. 21st February International Mother Language Day. Why? To promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and to promote multilingualism. 22nd February World Thinking Day. Why? It is an event to speak out on issues that affect young women. 24th February Central Excise Day. Why? To honor the service of Central Board of Excise and Custom to the country. 28th February World NGO Day. Why? To celebrate their achievements. 28th February Protein Day. Why? Awareness about the health benefits of protein. 28th February National Science Day. Why? To honor the discovery of Raman effect. 28th February Rare Disease Day. Why? To raise awareness amongst the general public and decision makers about rare disease and their impact on patients' lives.